special way to plant up strawberry planters, and I'm going to show you how. You want to start with a paper towel tube. Start with sand at the bottom. Take the tube like that, and then put sand down the tube. When you water down the center, it'll help disperse the water evenly to all of the little pockets. It's a trick. Now you add soil. Giving it a tap will help settle it. And once you got your soil in there, you can remove your tube. Okay, then you're gonna add your strawberries. Pinch the bottom, and you just put them into all your little strawberry holes. Big deal. That's how you do that.
Using runners. These are tiny babies that your plants produce. Right here is where roots will form. Just use some scissors to remove them from the mother plant and go ahead and plant them. Water your plant and place in bright light. These grow super fast. You'll see results in about a week. And soon enough, you'll have a whole strawberry garden.
How to grow a plant using strawberry seeds. The first thing you want to do is remove the skin with a knife carefully. Once you've removed the skin, you can pick out the seeds using tweezers or any sort of thing that works for you. You should aim to have this many seeds. Then get some soil and put it in your container. Then make one hole and put one strawberry seed in each hole. Then water and put it in natural sunlight. Update soon!